we are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too. So make sure to stay tuned for this. So, those words obviously have different meanings, but are they to be pronounced any differently? Well, the short answer is no. They are homophones, meaning that their pronunciations are exactly the same as feet, feet, a rather long E sound, feet. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those? Well, after watching this, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.